Got a letter in the post. What is this? But here it is. Oh! Let me get this out of the way. Ba-da! Pewdiepie, congratulations on passing 100 million subscribers. I know a lot of people wanted a custom reward, but I don't care. This is awesome. And of course, thank you, YouTube.
If you're a YouTuber, then you'll always have this one goal in mind, either to get 100,000 subscriber play button, 1 million subscriber play button, 10 million subscriber play button, or 50 million subscriber play button. Till now, only a bunch of YouTube channels have crossed 50 million subscribers. If you hit 50 million subscribers, then YouTube will provide you with the custom play button, which means that a custom play button will be specially designed for your channel. Pewdiepie got his custom play button, which is the Ruby play button, when he reached 50 million subscribers. Now Pewdiepie has reached 100 million subscribers, so YouTube has started designing the 100 million play button from past 3 months. Take a look at it. Now take a look at Pewdiepie's 100 million play button.
Ba-da! Pewdiepie, congratulations on passing 100 million subscribers. I know a lot of people wanted a custom reward, but I don't care. This is awesome. And of course, thank you, YouTube. Where would I be without you?
Guys, even though the 100 million play button actually looks similar to that of the 10 million play button, it's actually quite nice. Now I think this is the last play button that anyone could ever get, because one of these channels, Pewdiepie or T-Series, has to reach 500 million subscribers in order to get the 500 million play button, and it's not gonna happen very soon. Guys, even though play buttons are not made up of silver, gold or diamond, it's much more valuable than those. Even my dream is to get my hands on the silver play button. I think it's not gonna happen very soon. From past 2 years I'm doing YouTube, and I have like 1700 subscribers. I think I'll take like 50 more years to reach 100,000 subscribers. But no worries, I'll keep trying. Okay guys, I hope this video is helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, I make all YouTube growth related videos, TikTok related and Instagram related videos on this channel. So if you're a YouTuber, TikToker and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.